Alright, I'm a little late making this video. I've been gone for a while, had a lot of things going on, but Thumper has a challenge going on, picking 2 locks at once. Not sure, I didn't see a video where he did the drawing or anything, but the description said he was going to leave it open 2 to 3 weeks. It's already 3 weeks and a couple of days, so like I said, I might have missed the deadline, but if I did, looked like it was going to be a fun challenge anyway, regardless of the giveaway. But just in case, Thumper's 2 lock picking giveaway. Like I said, you gotta pick 2 locks at once. I've got 2 American locks, 1100s here. They are keyed different. One of them, I mean, they were keyed different from the factory anyway, but one of these I've added a 6th pin to probably almost a year ago now. So I don't know which is which. I'm not sure. I mean, I assume, gonna probably be able to feel it once I get in there and start picking, but let's just see what happens. I believe it's the one on the left there. I'm pretty sure I feel a 6th pin right back there, and feel nothing on the one on the right. Oh, got a false set on the one on the left there. Counter rotation. It's kind of hard to stay exactly on a pin. I'm not used to holding a pick this way, and trying to stay underneath a pin. I'm pretty sure that one on the left is unlocked. The tension wrench back up in there, and hopefully it didn't. Oh yeah, it's definitely unlocked. I'm gonna go a little bit longer and just see if I can get the one on the right, get them both. Okay, I heard a bunch of stuff drop. I thought I lost the open on the one on the left there. That wouldn't have been good. I got a false set on the one on the right now. Not open yet. Got counter rotation. Oh, all right. That one's open. And that one's open. I'm not gonna do a full-on gut on these because, you know, but I think you'll be able to see. Yep, you can see in there. This one has 6 pins in it. Need a flatter pick to rotate that back around. So that one, I believe, was the one on the left and had 6 pins. So this one should only have 5, if I remember correctly. Pretty sure when I repinned this lock, I only did one of them, a 6th pin in one of them. So this one, yeah, you can see that 6th hole is empty. So this one, I never put a 6th pin in, but there you go. 2 locks picked at the same time. A 5 pin and a 6 pin American 1100. I think I got the keys laying here somewhere just in case anybody wants to see them. And they are actually very similar, but one pin, I think they're actually the same except for, yeah, except for this pin here. The pin number 3 is a higher cut on this one than that one. But so that's what the key, yeah, that key doesn't work on that one. So this one must be, yep. That's the key for that one. So this must be the key for this one. There it is. All right. Like I said, if I made it in time for the drawing, then great. I'm gonna get this posted right away, so I see if I can catch it before the deadline. But if not, it was definitely an interesting challenge, and had a lot of fun with it. Thanks for watching.